Alright, so for this lesson, we have clay. This is actual clay. And we're going to make a heart-shaped pinch pot. So the first thing is to make a ball. And how you do that is you roll it around and you roll it around. If you already did it, you just wait until I get to that point. So I'm trying to make a ball as nicely as I can. You can also do it between your hands like this. You really try to make a perfect sphere. Alright, so then you put your ball down, and it's called a pinch pot because you use your thumbs and you push in like this. So if you've done that already, you can leave it like that. Alright, you can see I'm making this little pot. And then for Valentine's Day, I would like to make a heart-shaped pinch pot. So in order to shape this into a heart, I'm just going to give it a little pinch right here and then tug it in over here. And this is going to be perfect to put some candy in it.
Wait, are you?
And you can feel how this is real clay, so it's not quite as easy to use. Luckily, it's kind of wet, and we don't have to use any water. All right. Okay. This looks good. So now the next step will be, because our kiln is broken, we will use glue and put a glue wash over it.